अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम टाइप्स ऑफ रेस्पिरेशन के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। सो देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ रेस्पिरेशन। नंबर वन इज एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन एंड नंबर टू इज एनएरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन. So aerobic respiration. The word aero means air. So respiration which happens in presence of air. That is respiration which takes place in presence of oxygen and is known as aerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration is just the opposite. That means the respiration which takes place in absence of oxygen. अगर हम पहला टॉपिक रिकॉल करेंगे तो हमने वहाँ पे पढ़ा ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ द एजिमुलेटेड मॉलिक्यूल्स, क्योंकि वहाँ पे ऑक्सीडेशन आता है. That means it should always need oxygen. But it is not like that. Oxidation of food molecules can take place even without oxygen. So let's first talk about aerobic respiration. Here, oxidation of food releases energy. तो यहाँ हम जो प्रोसेस ऑफ एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन है ये स्टेप बाय स्टेप पढ़ेंगे. So the first step is glycolysis. The glycolysis occurs in cytoplasm of a cell. अगर हम एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन की बात करेंगे या एनएरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन की बात करेंगे, जो फर्स्ट स्टेप है ग्लाइकोलिसिस, इस स्टेप में दोनों टाइप्स में जो ऑक्सीजन है उसकी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है. सो इन बोथ ऑफ देम, एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन और एनएरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन, व्हाट हैपन्स in the cytoplasm, one molecule of glucose gets converted into two molecules of pyruvate. What is pyruvate? It is nothing but pyruvic acid. Or I can say it is a colorless liquid, an important intermediate in the metabolism of proteins and carbohydrates. So what happens? The glucose molecule, that is C6H12O6, is converted into a little simpler form in pyruvate. So this glucose molecule is a 6-carbon molecule because there are 6 carbon present in this. So it gets converted into little simpler form. In pyruvate we have 3 carbon molecules, and also there is a net gain of ATP molecules. 2 ATP molecules are also produced. Actually 4 ATP molecules are produced, but in this process 2 ATP molecules are utilized by the 6 carbon molecules. So as a result the net ATP is 2. So what happens to this pyruvate? This pyruvate which was created in the cytoplasm will move to the mitochondria. Mitochondria क्या है? Mitochondria हो गया ये सेल का, ये it is the powerhouse of a cell, or it is an organelle where power generation take place. And this pyruvate moves to mitochondria. It will lose carbon dioxide and forms acetyl coenzyme A. Now the next step is Krebs cycle. It occurs in the matrix of the mitochondria. Matrix हो गया ये, it is a fluid-like structure mitochondria में होता है. This acetyl coenzyme A is formed before, और जो ये acetyl coenzyme है ये oxidized हो जाता है in presence of oxygen, and it forms carbon dioxide plus 2 ATP molecules plus some hydrogen carrier molecules. So here 2 ATP molecules are produced. So now the third step is electron transport. It occurs in inner membrane of mitochondria, and there hydrogen carrier molecules NADH and FADH2 are brought to electron transport system. These hydrogen carrier molecules have high energy hydrogen atoms and are brought into the electron transport system. The total adenosine triphosphate yields there 38 ATP molecules, and the overall equation for aerobic respiration is